Budgie is a little helicopter. He is brave, a little hero. Budgie and friends are always working hard together. Pip and Chuck and Lionel in a new adventure.
Budgie!
Rocketing roses. Oh. Budgie is a little helicopter. He is nippy, look at him go, it's Budgie, the little helicopter.
Years ago, Sir Montague Fitzgibbon's family had been famous flyers. Sir Montague is going to present the Harefield Air Museum with their most successful aeroplane, the Golden Gull.
Yes, I look forward to seeing it here, standing proudly. It'll certainly put these silly-looking modern machines to shame.
I believe that it has stood outside your stately home for almost a century, Sir Montague.
Ah, yes. And, boy! Not there! Do I have to explain everything? Our invited guests will be here tomorrow morning. They want to see me unveil the Golden Gull, not you messing with these chairs.
I hope you'll remember to write and thank your aunt and uncle.
We will, Mum.
It's a lovely birthday present and you've done a great job of building it.
Yes, but we'd never have got the engine right without Mike.
Will it be ready to fly this afternoon?
Easily. And Mike is coming to help.
Right. Here's your cocoa. Come and get it before the rush starts.
I say, you! You're to come with me to Fitzgibbon Hall.
You talking to me?
Yes, we need someone to help with the removal of the Golden Gull.
Yes, Ken, it's a bit out of the normal line of work, but it'd be a big help if you could go with Sir Montague.
All right, Mr. Harrison, but not until I've had me tea break.
Lionel to Budgie, there's been a change of plan. I want you to take over from Chuck up at the Valley Dam. He's moved all the really heavy loads.
What's Chuck going to do?
He's off to Fitzgibbon Hall, doing a job for Sir Montague.
Whew, rather him than me.
Ours is not the reason why. Right, off you go then.
Bye, Lionel.
The Golden Gull is this way, Mr. Wrench. And please do not walk on the grass. There it is, the Golden Gull.
It's not a plane. It's a statue.
Unfortunately, it's right in the middle of the space we need for the new swimming pool.
Swimming pool?
Yes, I'm turning this into a luxury hotel, and we must have a swimming pool. Hello? Hello? Oh dear, this is a terrible connection. Hello? This is Sir Montague Fitzgibbon speaking to you. I say...
Man, that is one cool plane.
Yeah, and if I move the joystick, it can do really good stunts.
Isn't it beautiful?
Come down here at once! You almost dropped this priceless historical monument. We'll have to do the job myself. I've wanted to be rid of this concrete monstrosity for years.
bring the whole thing down. Send for help. Use your telephone. Get Chuck back.
Hello, Harefield. Requesting assistance. Send that helicopter back at once to Fitzgibbon Hall. Hello, hello. Do you read me? Get me down. Lift me up.
There's something wrong, Mike. It's not working.
Someone's using a wrong frequency. It's interfering with the controls.
Can't you do something, Mike? The plane is going out of control.
I'm trying, man, I'm trying. But, like, it's too much. Did you see it? Did you see where it came down?
It didn't come down, Mike. It went straight on. And on.
It's gone. How will we ever find it?
Oh, man, this is tragic. Like, really sad.
Lionel to Chuck, do you read me? Over.
Chuck to Lionel. I read you, Lionel, but there's a lot of noise on the line. What's up?
There's been a problem at Fitzgibbon Hall. They need help. Where are you?
I'm at Oakford Rail Yard, and this golden gull weighs a ton.
Well, you'll just have to put it down somewhere.
The rail yard a safe enough place?
Yes, it is. The old aircraft should be safe as house, is there?
Pippa to Budgie. Come in, Budgie. This is an emergency.
Reading you loud and clear, Pippa.
Ben and Lucy have lost their model plane. It flew away. It was heading in your direction. They're really sad about it.
Oh, that's awful. I'll be going home soon, Pippa. If it's along the way, I'll find it.
Harefield, if you do not send help, I will take back the golden gull. Why didn't you? Oh, he's fainted.
We've got to find that model plane, Snowy. We're not going home until we do. This gets worse and worse, Snowy. It'll be dark in half an hour and we'll... Hey! What was that? Rocketing rotor, Snowy. There it is. Oh, easy does it, Snowy. We don't want to lose this cargo.
Oh, no. What'll Lionel say about this?
Well, here we are, Snowy. I can't wait to see Ben and Lucy's faces when they see their model plane again. Oh, no. Everyone's in bed. Where will I leave it so that Ben and Lucy can find it in the morning?
Fitzgibbon family to the life of the county has been beyond dispute, always ready to be condescending to others who just don't have the spirit or talent to lift themselves out of the mundane rut that the rest of you seem to wallow in. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we organise this grand occasion, to which I am sure you are all very grateful to be invited. But before I proceed to the unveiling of this noble aircraft, I would like to give you a short history of the Fitzgibbon family's involvement in flying. It all began on a day in 1902. My great-grandfather. On the achievements of our family alone, it may be said, the whole of modern aviation rests. Therefore, it is with great pride that I now unveil this life-size replica of our most famous creation. The Fitzgibbon Golden Gun. This is an outrage! How dare you laugh?
Look, Ben, look!
Come on!
If I find that any of you are responsible...
Thank you for finding our plane, Sir Montague.
Without be Sir Montague Fitzgibbon?
Yes. What is it?
I'm the station master at Tuckahaki, a wee spot north of Aberdeen. We have a fine, big model aeroplane of yours here, Sir Montague. If you want it returned, you must pay 1,000.
But what return? Don't you dare to... It is... No, it can't!
Poor Sir Montague. I hope that you had nothing to do with this, Budgie.
Me? How could I? I never even heard of Tuckahaki.
Do you ken that this is a reverse charge call? It is a fearful thing to waste so much money over a few train tickets. Are you there, Sir Montague?